Hello, and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to reinstall the operating system on your Pulcro Mini PC using the Plan B recovery system. Before continuing, please back up any files you want to keep. The recovery process will erase the selected drive, including all files, partitions, and installed software. If your Mini PC contains more than one SSD, we strongly recommend temporarily removing or disconnecting every drive except the one you intend to reimage. This helps prevent the wrong drive from being erased. Pulcro Mini PCs may include either the current Plan B recovery system or our earlier legacy recovery system. To determine which one you have, restart or turn on your Mini PC. When the Pulcro splash screen appears, repeatedly press the F7 key to open the BIOS boot menu. Look for a boot entry containing the words Plan B. If the entry includes Plan B, continue with this video. If there is no entry containing Plan B, your computer may have the legacy recovery system. A link to the legacy recovery instructions is provided below this video. Using the arrow keys, highlight Pulcro recovery system, Plan B, and then press Enter. The computer will now boot into the Plan B main menu. Before starting recovery, review the message and diagram on the right side of the screen. Make sure an Ethernet cable is connected to the indicated network port. Plan B requires an active internet connection. Download and recovery speeds will depend on your internet service provider, and data charges may apply. The Plan B menu provides several recovery, diagnostic, and support options. Option 1 is the Remote Image Deploy, Reimaging, or Capture tool. Select this option when reinstalling the factory operating system on an existing drive, or installing it on a replacement drive. Options 2A and 2B run Pulcro's hardware diagnostic tools. The difference between them is whether a memory test is included. After diagnostics are completed, a report can be sent to Pulcro for review at your request. Option 3 runs a dedicated memory test. This is useful when troubleshooting possible memory problems or verifying newly installed memory. Option 4 is the Pulcro Remote Support tool. This option is reserved for remote support services and is also the default menu selection. Option 5 opens the Pulcro Linux environment for advanced system management and troubleshooting. Option 6 exits the recovery environment and attempts to start the operating system installed on the local drive. A menu option must be selected within 30 seconds. To reinstall the operating system, use the arrow keys to highlight Remote Image Deploy, Reimaging, or Capture tool, and press Enter. The recovery environment will start automatically and authenticate your Pulcro Mini PC. Once recovery begins, the system will erase the partitions on the target drive, download the appropriate recovery image, and reinstall the operating system. Do not turn off the computer, disconnect the Ethernet cable, or interrupt the process while recovery is underway. In this video, we are reinstalling Home Assistant OS as an example. Your computer will normally receive the operating system configuration with which it was originally shipped. If you would like to change to a different supported operating system, contact Pulcro customer support at hello@pulcro.io before beginning recovery. We have accelerated this portion of the video to save time. The actual recovery time will vary depending on the size of the image and the speed of your internet connection. After the operating system has been installed, the computer will perform a brief self-test and restart automatically. In most cases, no further action is required. If the computer repeatedly boots back into Plan B instead of the restored operating system, the BIOS boot order may need to be adjusted. Restart the computer and repeatedly press F7 to reopen the BIOS boot menu. From the boot menu, select Enter Setup and press Enter. The exact menu names and appearance will vary between Mini PC models, but the general procedure is the same. Using the right arrow key, navigate to the boot menu. Look for a setting such as UEFI NVMe drive BBS priorities, UEFI hard drive BBS priorities, or hard drive BBS priorities. Open the appropriate drive priority submenu. Highlight Boot Option 1 and press Enter. Select the other available drive entry, typically the entry that does not refer to Plan B, and press Enter to confirm. Press Escape to return to the previous menu. Navigate to Save and Exit, and select an option such as Save Configuration and Reset, or Save Changes and Reboot. Confirm your selection when prompted. The Mini PC should now restart from the restored operating system. Your Pulcro Mini PC has now been restored using the Plan B recovery system. If you encounter any problems or have questions during the process, contact Pulcro customer support at hello@pulcro.io. We'll be glad to assist.